After a long time, we are doing a headlight comparison video on the channel. This time we have the arch rivals, the TVS Apache RTR 164V and the Pulsar N160. Both the motorcycles are known for their performance, and in this video we will do a headlight performance test. To start with, we have the RTR 164V, and here is the low beam. The new LED headlight give an umbrella pattern beam, and if we see the intensity, then the intensity is concentrated at the furthest end of the beam, which is a good thing. The dark spots are also minimum here. Switching to the high beam, we can see the intense spot of being throwing further ahead, creating the cap of the umbrella. It is okay, but it falls short, and you will agree to this once you get to see the Pulsar. Just note, like most LEDs, the low beam remains on while we switch on to the high beam, which gives us a wide illuminated area. Now coming to the Pulsar N160, it has got a bifunctional projector headlamp. The low beam has got a really wide spread, and the beam pattern is conventional trapezoidal type, which covers a lot of area. The intensity is decent in the low beam. In some areas the RTR feels a bit more intense, otherwise the low beam on the Pulsar is commendable with presence of minimum dark, or should I say low intense spot, which immediately falls in front of the motorcycle. Coming to the high beam, this is where the Pulsar kills the competition. The high beam is intense and wider than what the RTR offers, and adding to it, the throw is also a lot longer than the RTR. It can be clearly seen here where the RTR switches on its high beam first and then comes the Pulsar. Both the motorcycles are parked at the same height next to each other. I don't think videos like this need a verdict as the results are in front of you. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. So that's it for this video, and I hope you guys have liked it.